Coming in the game, hella mine and hella G. I'm popping for my city, but you know when that these boys steady hating up on the young baby G, cause the boy be hella dope. And he coming up, but I pay no mind, motherfucker. Gotta grind and swift of mine. I gotta get it, gotta clock the dollar, gotta shake it up. I never pretend to never fake it. You a hoe and you a sucker fish, bitch. Bob up on the T. You're the little P, I've been about it, been with the business, doing what the quit. Gangsters with my quick, spitting this shit so pimpish, it's so deadly. I'm strapped and I'm locked and I'm loaded, hella deadly. If they want the funk, then bring it down. The rider up in the back street of the killing oath. You know, and then I want no beat, but you know that the back street don't ride it from the cartel era, still to hold it down. No matter what the fuck they say, the boy is holding down. I'm riding for the brown and I'm gonna put my shit on down. I do it every day, and every day we gotta face a motherfucking what? Motherfucking difficult and what? Challenge, but you know I control the manage. Hella game and hella dope. I'm smoking on that thing, and my dumb brain is spitting fire flame. I do my thing, I rep my thing, I rep my town. Used to run over around it with my gang, but man, I do it for the better. Like an OG, like a man, and stand up on my toes, ready to mark the flows. And any buster coming, running, trying to check in. You know that I'm rogering back, no fucking doubt. And that's the life that we living in the crazy cross town. And times is getting shady, but y'all do savas, baby. I'm a loking, I'm a rider, got my balls, I got my stilo monster frio. When I get up on the scene, I bucket clean, do it like a rider every day. I thought you knew I'm riding for the 575. I bucket with the real and truth, the real, the gangster, real, the rider, real, the motherfucker, pimping up the tone game. What it is, I'm bobbing in New York, stating all my haters near, and all the motherfuckers thinking that they fearing and they scaring. Never that the boy on game. I fucking flip my cap to the back, stomp them out my trap. Yeah, cause this life that I'm living hella wrong, but you know that I'm shooting for the better, marking up in my black echo to the sweater. It's not about who's rag or who rag be them redder, and who sweater what, motherfucking what, thicker and nigga. This the world is hella crazy, hella cold. It can leave you gone up in a fucking instant, but you know when all my memories and that I saw as a what troubled teen, as a little youth cat, nigga. I used to run around the block and with my strap and with my Glock and with my thing, with a little what rocks in my socks, with the water cash, never flash what for the better, never done that. I did it to the hustles just to get it by, and for my bros and what the Mac, the finest of the prettiest of hosts. But to the day, I'm rolling hella clean. I'm bobbing and I do my thing, man, and I'm wasn't giving thanks until my good God dead and bowing through. Steady with my mic like a man. If I die, then I die, but I ride with all my pride. But you know I got my shit locked and loaded, ready for the ride. I'm sick with the record, sick with the wreck, sick with the wreck, sick with the record music. Damn, we be what, doing it up. I'm bobbing through the yucca state, baby gabba dope, baby gabba hella game. And you know them fucking haters talking loud, they a joke. And Prince is all the scene. I'm toning hella mean, I'm toning hella like a beast. And like a top the dog, a true dog with all the heart. And I'm a motherfucking spit up on the track and push my niggas back and put them on the map and get them in the hills and get them in the heights, taking prize as I rise. Sick with the rakes.